Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare BlackRock versus Vanguard and figure out which one is better in 2025. If you're investing for the long term, this guide will help you choose between two of the biggest asset managers in the world. Let's start with BlackRock. It's the largest asset manager globally and the company behind iShares ETFs. BlackRock offers a huge variety of funds, advanced risk management tools, and strong exposure to global markets. It's often chosen by institutional investors and those who want cutting edge investment options. Now, Vanguard is famous for its low cost index funds and ETFs. It pioneered the concept of passive investing, making it easier and cheaper for everyday investors to build wealth over time. Vanguard is known for investor friendly pricing and a focus on long term growth. So, which one is better? If you want access to a wider range of ETFs and advanced investment strategies, BlackRock is the stronger option. But if you value low cost, simplicity, and long term reliability, Vanguard is the better choice. Thanks for watching this BlackRock versus Vanguard 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investing reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.